The Embassy of India in Muscat, Oman issued a public notice informing that Indian citizens in Gulf Cooperation Council GCC countries Bahrain, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the UAE who hold valid resident cards were eligible for a visa on arrival, enabling them to enter Oman and seek temporary shelter. The advisory added that Indian passport holders with a valid visa or residence permit from the US, the UK, Canada, Japan, and Schengen countries are also eligible for a visa on arrival, allowing entry into Oman for up to 10 days without pre-arranged visa. Others Other travelers may apply for an e-visa through an authorized travel agency.